Vanshika and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing some Friendship Day gift ideas DIYs. So, for the first one, take a blank sheet of paper and divide it into half. You can take any color sheet that you like. I will be using a paper knife to cut the sheet into half. Be careful while you use it. Continue the process that is shown in the video. After cutting, we'll have two strips of paper looking like this. Now we'll begin folding it into the dimensions of the photographs that we have. Fold the paper like this. Now to increase the size of the card, I'll be sticking the other strip that I have cut onto this strip so that we have a longer card. Glue the other piece down to the first piece and then cut it to the required dimensions after you fold it again. Just do as shown. I am making these folds just like I did before. After completing the folding part, now we'll cut the excess paper that we have to the desired length of the card. Make sure that you do not cut the fold sides. Only cut the excess part. Now we have something looking like this. Now you can choose to make the cover of the card. I have this printed cardstock paper, but you can also use plain card paper if you like. Get creative with the cover. Now I am cutting down the cardstock paper as in the size of this card. Then we'll stick this front cover and back cover onto our card. This is just to enhance the beauty of the card. You can get creative with the cover as you like. Just paste these pieces on the front and the back so that you have the cover of your card. Now for the insides of the card. I began pasting some photographs inside that I had. Use photographs of you and your friend to do so. I used the photographs that I already had. Then add some text using a pen and you are ready to go. I used a silver gel pen to do that. And now your card is absolutely ready. This is the final look. This is quick and easy and your friend will definitely love this one. Moving on to the next thing, which is going to be a hamper. For that I have taken a beautiful box. If you don't have such a box, don't worry, you can take any box that you have and wrap it with colored paper. And for this part of the box, you can take paper strips or newspaper strips. Now, in this box, I'll be adding items of complementary color. As in, if the box is pink, I'll be adding the items of only blue color. Now, let's continue. For the first item, you can make a customized book cover or a notebook cover for your friend as this one. I made this in blue. You can also make a cover for their favorite book and then obviously the very classic lace. And then I added a drink in blue color. All the items are going to be of the same color so that it looks really appealing to the eyes. If your friend is an artist, you can add any artistic supply that is blue in color, some cookies, and then you can also add other things like a pen stand or a blue gel pen. In the times we live in, a mask is an absolute necessity and also it went with the theme well. So I added this as well. And then add a personalized note for your best friend. As you can see, I have made a personalized message for my best friend. You can add this and your hamper is absolutely ready. You can cover it with a plastic sheet or anything that you have. You can cover it with a gift wrapping paper or plastic sheet. You can get creative with creating your hamper that your friend is absolutely going to adore. So that is how my hamper turned out to be. This is an excellent gift and very effortless as well. So go ahead and gift your friends this hamper. moving on to the next thing, which is going to be a letter of insults. For this, take a piece of paper and then I'm folding this into half to give it some strength. If you had a thick cardstock paper, then you can use that. But as I'm using printer paper which is easily available, I just doubled it so that it is having some strength. As I showed, you can use some cardstock paper and you would just skip this step entirely. Now I'm giving it a hint of color. Actually, I intended on making rainbow color cards, so that is how I am doing it. And for the stationery item that I am using in this is a Camlin brush pen. So now I cut the sides of this paper and this is what it looks like. So actually for this gift, what you have to do is you need to write an epic insult for your best friend. Definitely not in an offending way. It is going to be really funny when your best friend is going to read this. Make sure that you're creating this gift only for someone that is close to you so that they don't take offense. So here are some ideas that you can try. You can add insults like you are the reason why companies put how to use instructions on the toothpaste and jam. The other one being you are the proof of the reverse evolution theory. To make you laugh on Thursday, I need to tell you a joke on Monday. You are so ugly that when you look in the mirror, your reflection looks away. The battery of my phone lasts longer than your relationships. I'd smack you, but that would be animal abuse, and so on. You can take help of these ideas that I'm showing in the video. So now to keep these cards, I'll be teaching you how to make an envelope. So here is a tutorial that you can follow. For that, take a square piece of paper and follow all the things that I'm showing in this video. It is hardly going to take 5 minutes for you to make the envelope and your gift will be absolutely ready. Just follow all these steps and you're good to go. Make cuts and folds as shown in the video. Take note of every fold that is being shown. After making the cuts, I'll be using a glue to stick down all the pieces. Now your envelope is absolutely ready. Now you can keep all the insult cards in this envelope. Make sure that you do not give this to someone you have just met because they might take offense. So make sure that you only give this to your best friend who will never take you wrong. And for the major part of this, I added a sarcastic disclaimer that this letter contains love for one and only best friend. This is going to be epically sarcastic and your best friend will be loving this gift. So moving on to the next thing, we'll be making McDonald's box of fries full of love. So for this, first we'll be making a sachet. For this, just follow the tutorial that is being shown in the video and you will be able to make your own sachet in hardly 5 minutes. So just follow the tutorial and you are good to go. Make note of all the folds and where all the pasting is required. And also please make sure that you use a red paper itself because red is a major part of the McDonald's logo and items, so it looks legitimate. This is going to be an epic mimic of the McDonald's. So yes, make sure that you use only red paper and yellow paper for the fries. You can also check out other videos on my channel for some other gift DIYs that you can customize and make them for your best friend. So after completing all the folding, your sachet is almost ready. Now to make it more legitimate, I am going to use yellow acrylic paint and a paintbrush to paint down the McDonald's logo. It does not need to be perfect, just make sure that they are able to recognize that yeah, it is McDonald's, so that it's really funny and quirky to gift this. So for the fries, I am taking a yellow cardstock paper and cutting it into different shapes. Don't worry about being perfect, just cut them down in strips. And on each strips, write down what do you love about your best friend and why you are thankful for them. This friendship, they need to be appreciated, so don't hold yourself back and write down whatever you feel like for your best friend or your other friends as well. Do this for all the strips and then add them to the sachet. So now when your best friend will open this is what he is going to see. Fries that contain love notes. So it is amazing. So the next thing is going to be a wall hanging. So for that, draw out any shape on a thick cardstock paper, or you can also use cardboard and stick on some colored paper on it. But I just went with the cardstock paper as it was thick enough to be a wall hanging. I drew a heart shape on this paper, but you can also draw any other shape that you desire to. After you are done drawing with the shape, then just cut it with the scissors. Or you can also use a paper knife to do so. After cutting, this is what it is going to look like. And now add a friend's code that you want. Or you can also add a personalized message for your friend. I am using a Camlin brush pen in the color black to do that. After you are done with writing the code, this is what it is going to look like. After that, I started adding some highlights and some decoration using a silver glitter pen. When you are done with this, add 2 holes in the top so that you can add the cord to hang it. After that, I am using a green cord to do so. You can use any color that you want. Just pass it through one of the holes and tie 2 tight knots so that it stays in place. Repeat the same process for the other hole as well. Make sure that you leave enough length to hold it. To hang the wall hanging, we have left enough length of the string and then cut the other side and then pass it through the other hole and tie 2 knots. After you are done tying both the knots, cut off the excess that you see. And now your wall hanging is absolutely ready. Thanks for watching this video. If you like it, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.